When renting a moving truck, you want the best. Let's look at what sets U-Haul rental trucks apart. U-Haul has the lowest decks in the moving industry. Our low decks make loading and unloading easier. The other guy's dock height, freight-style deck makes unloading and loading more difficult. U-Haul has shorter, easy-load ramps that are manageable, quick, and easy. The other guys, moving made harder. U-Haul has wide and sturdy, easy-load ramps. The other guys, narrow and wobbly ramps make moving harder. U-Haul has a low-profile cab that makes entry quick and easy. The other guys, high-profile freight truck cab. When it comes to renting a moving truck, the choice is clear. U-Haul makes moving easier.